क्वेश्चन मिलेगा ही. There are 3 particles. This is B. कोई भी बुक ऐसी नहीं है जिसमें कि ये क्वेश्चन आपको ना मिले, एनसीईआरटी को छोड़ के. And A is moving towards B. Listen carefully. A is moving towards B. And B is moving towards C. In such a way that they are keeping their directions fixed towards each other. मतलब A जो है वो हमेशा ही B की तरफ मूव कर रहा है. And B is always moving towards C. And C is always moving towards A. Let's see what will happen after few seconds. After few seconds, B comes here. B comes here. Let's say that is this point is B comes here, A comes here, and C comes here. After few seconds, then A will start moving in this direction. In this direction, B starts moving towards C in this direction, and C start moving towards A, means in this direction, in this way. Again, after 1 second, when C comes here, A starts moving in this direction towards B. Again, B start moving in this direction, A start moving in this direction, and C start moving in this direction. In this way, ultimately they meet at the center because all are moving with the same speed. Have you got the situation?
Yes, sir.
Good. But one thing is fixed. What is that? That is the equilateral triangle is maintained always. See, A is here, B is here, and C is here, and again in this way. In this way, triangle is rotating. Let's say when C comes here, in this way, A comes here, in this way. Again, after 1 second, triangle will be maintained. But we don't have to bother like this how the body is moving. Simply we have to find velocity of approach. Listen carefully. Just we have to find the velocity of approach. Velocity of approach. Of A to B. See how A is moving. If we draw it here, A is moving in this direction. A is moving in this direction at the instant when they start the motion, and B is moving in this direction at an angle of 60 degrees because the triangle is equilateral. And with the speed V, its speed is V and its speed is also V. So if we want to find the velocity of approach, then it will be V plus, this is V in the direction of towards, V is the velocity of A towards B. And B has also the velocity towards A, that is V cos 60. And this will be V cos 60 plus V cos 60. I hope this part is clear. I hope this part is clear.
Yes, sir.
Good. Then it can be written as V plus V cos 60. Cos 60 is root, No, 1 by 2. So it is
1
V
by
by 2. And this is 3V by 2. This is the velocity of approach. And since the separation is given, the side of the triangle is given. I hope it is given always. Equilateral triangle of side A. A is given. Side of triangle is A. Means separation between A and B is this. So simply you have to find the time is equal to distance upon velocity. And distance is A and velocity is 3V by 2. So this will be your answer. बोलिए कोई कंफ्यूजन?
No, sir.
इतनी देर में A और B मिल जाएगा, इसका मतलब C भी मिल जाएगा, because C is also maintaining the same condition. Okay, let's do this question. I'm waiting. Let's try the next question. Serial question it is. इसको ट्राई कीजिए बेटे. It is a regular hexagon of side A. Are you trying? Let's say the particle is, I'm just doing the question. This particle is A and here the particle is B. The separation is A, that is given. Let's find the velocity of approach. Velocity of approach. The velocity of approach will be, see, it is moving in this direction with velocity V and it is moving in this direction with the velocity V. This angle is how much? Anyone can tell me what is the value of this angle?
160 degrees.
This angle, bete.
60 degree.
Confirm?
Yes, sir.
Good. It is 60 degree. And then its velocity becomes, velocity of approach will be V minus, listen carefully, V minus what?
V cos.
V by 2. So the velocity of approach is V by 2. I hope this part is clear.
Yes, sir.
Because B is moving away, not coming towards A. So just we have to subtract to find the velocity of approach. पीछे से जो गाड़ी आ रही है वो तेज चल रही है, लेकिन आगे वाली तो भाग रही है. So we have to subtract and the velocity of approach will be V by 2. And in the same way we can find the time here. Distance upon separation. Distance is A and separation is V by 2. So this will be your answer. This will be your answer. Is it clear, bete?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, let's move to the next question. The last question. Julie, bete. Julie. Good morning, Julie. इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लम? और आज भी आपने लीड कल की थी?
यस सर, आज ही सर वो मंदिर गए थे, आज तो लेट हो गए
अच्छा अच्छा, आज कोई विशेष पूजा है क्या?
सर, आज फास्ट है।
अच्छा, गुड. Let's see this question. There are two projectiles thrown simultaneously. दोनों projectiles simultaneously throw किया गया है air में towards each other. Listen carefully. A is thrown towards B and B is thrown towards A. Then is there possibility